And he stayed onside.
Passing with confidence. He's headed the ball forward.
Just the keeper to beat. And there's the shot. Oh, nice finish there.
What a fantastic goal. It means a lot to the player and should give him the confidence to...
Sends it long.
Kepa picks up the ball. It's with the striker. Rodri.
Gray. His teammates swarm him, and rightly so. Great stuff.
The fans want this player to make an appearance. Let's see that one again. And the manager...
And he stayed on. Just the goalkeeper to beat now.
That's his second goal. Well, let's take another look at that. Let's see what difference the... Finds his teammate. Now Ramos.
Oh, he's onside. And he's one-on-one with the keeper. And that is a fantastic goal. Sends it forward. Easy for the goalkeeper there.
Oh, well intercepted. The striker picks it up.
Surely now, he goes for goal.
He's scored a brace. That was really well taken. Here's how they did it.
Really well there, passed well, and they get it away. Oh, it's a clear chance. Quality goal.
The manager will be really pleased with finishing like that. He'll do wonders for his confidence. Rodri. He could be punished for that mistake. Striker's ball.
Great chance here. Gray. Oh, nice finish there.
Great goal there. He'll be hoping to add more to his tally now.
Gray. The shot's on, and there's the shot.
He's scored a brace. Let's take another look at that.
Which way will this game go?
Ramos clears.
Gray. He must score, and this is a world-class finish.
Well, let's take another look at that. Distributes the play.
He's onside here. Is this a goal? Gray. What a finish.
The manager will be really pleased with finishing like that.
And he's back in possession. That's nicely played. He's found an opening. Gray.
That's his second goal. Let's take an...